Hi everyone, welcome to the third coding class. In our first two coding classes, we learned how to move this cat front and back and how to put a voice into this cat and turn him round, clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. In today's class, we are going to do something really exciting. We are going to create our very own space teleport. So for that, first we will click on the right hand side button here. As you can see, it says choose a backdrop. So we will click on that. Once we click on that, we get this entire image in front of us. We get various options to choose from. So since I said we are going to do the space teleport, hence we will choose this option, space. Now you can choose whatever backdrops you like. I like galaxy, so I'm going to choose galaxy. Now what purpose does a cat serve into the galaxy? Nothing, right? So we will delete this cat. Now how to delete this cat? In the bottom, can you see there is this image of the cat and it is named as sprite 1. So what does this tell you? Any element like this cat or any other animation that we will add into this background will be called as sprite. So now let us delete the sprite. We do not need it. We need an astronaut. On the bottom right hand side, we can see this cat image and it says choose a sprite. So let us click on it and choose our own astronaut. Now here there are various options after we click on choose a sprite. So I will click on people and I will just scroll down to check where can I find an astronaut. Okay, so here I see this particular image which looks like an astronaut. The name is Kiran. So let me just click on it. It looks perfect. So after we have done this, we will now click on sounds. Not this sound, but this sound on the top. Code, costume, and sounds. So we will click on sounds. And here it says pop. So we will just delete this because we do not need this voice. On the bottom left hand side, you can see a speaker image. It says choose a sound. So we will click on that. Once we click on that, we get this 1,000 of options to choose from. So since I told you the name of my project is Space Teleport. So let us search for teleport. And remember, all these sounds are arranged in alphabetical order, so it becomes easier for us to choose. Here, I have got this option called teleport. I will click on it. I will just play it to recheck. Yes, this sound is perfect. So I'm going to choose this sound. After I've chose the sound, I'm going to click on code. And then we shall repeat the drill which we did for our previous exercise. I will select events, then select when flag clicked, drag it to the input window. After that, we just made a sound, correct? We just created a sound. So that has got filled into this sound bar here, the dark pink circle that you can see, sound. So we will click on sound. Once we click on sound, then we shall select this option, start sound teleport. Drag it to the input window like this. Once we've done this, then we will click on motion because we want this girl, this astronaut, to move. Okay, so we will make her move similarly to the cat, which we did in the previous tutorial. So for that, what I had done, I had clicked on motion. And after clicking on motion, then we chose this option, turn 15 degrees clockwise. I dragged it into the input window. Now, she will turn 15 degrees clockwise. But for how long will she turn? I want her to keep on turning round and round forever. So for that, I will click on control. Once I've clicked on control, I will click on the third option, forever. And you can see this third option, forever, is like a jigsaw puzzle. Yes, there is a space that is empty. So we will try and adjust turn 15 degrees into forever. That's it. Once this is done, now we shall execute this project. I will just make the screen big and then I will click on this green flag. And to stop it, we will click on this red button. Once again. And we'll stop it. That's it. This was your third tutorial on how to create your own space teleport. Stay tuned for the next project because the next project is going to be very exciting since we are going to create our own talking robot.